In this video, I will teach you how to enable agent mode in Chatgpt. You should be able to turn it on using this particular video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to first head over to chatgpt.com and make sure that you're logged in. Head over and click onto this login option right here if you already have an account, or you can also click onto this sign up for free if you do not have an account yet. So on my case, I already have an account, so let me head over and click on this login option right here. And then you will be prompted to log in into this page. You can just input right your email, and also you can sign in using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, as well as your phone. So once you're successfully logged in, you should be able to see in here this part. So in order to enable your agent mode, you first need to be sure that you're subscribed to a plan that supports it, which means ChatGPT Pro, Plus, Team, Enterprise, or Education. So from in there, you can head over and click on your name right here. Then click onto this upgrade plan option. And then make sure that you're subscribed to this plan right here, to these two, and you're not on the free plan option. If you're indeed subscribed, the next thing you need to do is you need to head over to the website and then click on the tools option right there. On your tools, you should be able to find in there the option. Just input right here the command, like for example, command for agent, in order to directly onto the prompt bar, and then describe a task that you want the agent to perform with as much detail as possible, and then the agent will begin working, potentially pausing for clarification or confirmation. You can interrupt or guide the agent during this process, and it should be able to help you using that part from there as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.